Cece and Caleb's world.
Hey, Caleb, it's time to get super clean. Yes, it's bath time. Here we go.
Splash, splash, here we go. Warm water running nice and slow. Toys in the tub, bubbles too. Bath time fun for me and you. Wash, wash, scrub a dub. Getting clean is something we love. Bath time, splash and play. Wash the dirt and germs away. Scrub a scrub from head to toe. Bath time fun, let's go, let's go. Arms and legs and tummy too. Washy-washy, peekaboo. Rubber ducks and bubble foam. In the tub we laugh at home. Clean feels good, fresh feels right. Warm and cozy, shining bright. Bath time, squeaky clean. Cleanest kids you ever seen. Wrapping towels, snuggle tight. Bath time fun, good night, good night.
If you had fun learning with Cece and Caleb, please click that like button and subscribe to our channel.